Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over, can you exchange your tickets on Ticketmaster? So I went through this situation in which I wanted to exchange my section seats on Ticketmaster, and I'll be going over a few things that you should know before you actually exchange your tickets as well. So the first thing that you need to know is your event happening within 24 hours? If it is, then sometimes the event organizer might not allow you to exchange your tickets. The second thing is your ticket a verified resale ticket? If your ticket is a verified resale ticket, then you will not be able to exchange your tickets through Ticketmaster. But if you purchased it directly through Ticketmaster, then there still is a chance that you might be able to exchange it. The third thing is that if you don't see a prompt that allows you to exchange your tickets on Ticketmaster, so if we take this order page here, for example, I only see the prompts that say transfer tickets and sell tickets. If you don't see an exchange ticket, you can still call up Ticketmaster themselves and tell them your event details, and they might be able to exchange your tickets if you bought it directly from Ticketmaster and if it's more than 24 hours until the event. Sometimes there is going to be a surplus charge if you do exchange your tickets, but that would be up to Ticketmaster themselves. So yes, you are sometimes able to exchange your tickets on Ticketmaster, but if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.